Hi, my name's Dan Buttle from ETAS, and I'd like to welcome you to the first in a series of 3 videos where we're talking about embedded data management for software-defined vehicle.
And my name is Carl Koenigsson. I work at Mime Information Technologies in Uppsala, Sweden.
Okay, so my problem is that I'm a typical embedded software engineer. I'm used to working at the deeply embedded edge or the mechatronic room of a vehicle. I'm collecting lots of signal-based data. And these days, I'm beginning to move that into sort of an AutoSAR adaptive world, and I'm talking about service-based architectures and service-oriented architectures. So I've got that adaptive platform as a bit of middleware. It's the middleware between the deeply embedded part and some of the sort of more cloud services and future mobility technology that we want to introduce. Now, if I look in my adaptive platform, what I've actually got for storing data is I've got simple files in file-based storage, or I've got key value pairs. So I can store that data, but every time I actually want to manipulate that or query that or aggregate that, actually I've got to write a lot of application software to make that work, just to manipulate that data. Now, I think that problem is already solved elsewhere, and that problem is solved in databases, and I think that's where you can help me.
Well, hopefully yes, Darren. My company, Mime, we make such a database which is ideally suited for an embedded environment. Now, the point is that if you move to a more data-centric approach, that means you can work with your applications and they are more disconnected. Furthermore, you can also use the data in the key value store, and you can transform that easily into other sort of formats, such as a time series, for instance. That is done automatically by the database, and you don't have to do anything in your code.
That would be absolutely great, because then that means I can essentially decouple the collection of the data from the manipulation and the usage of that data by third parties offering new mobility services. That would be excellent.
And there are even further advantages, but the point is you can then manage huge amounts of data easily, and you can adopt to future changes just by being data-centric.
That sounds great. I think in the next video, what we're going to be looking at is how we actually make this work in reality. So we're going to look at how we take our RTA VRT adaptive platform, and we're going to take Mime SQL Automotive from your side, and we're going to marry those two things together and look at how we can essentially act as that bridge between the deeply embedded software and a pure data-centric design. If you'd like to be informed about that next video, then please hit the subscribe button below. That will also tell you about other useful and cool things that we're doing at ETAS in terms of software-defined vehicle. If you want to find out more information up front, then hit some of the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.